Hi everyone, welcome back. Is your Wi-Fi not working after a recent Windows update? Don't worry, I've got a few quick fixes that can help you get back online in no time. Just follow these step-by-step solutions and your Wi-Fi should be up and running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Do a network reset. For this, go to the Start menu and open Settings. Now go to Advanced Network Settings and scroll down a bit here. Click on Network Reset and press Reset Now. Press Yes on this and restart your computer. But if that didn't work out, go to the next solution. Solution 2. Reset the network from the command prompt. For this one, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD or Command Prompt. Now right-click on it and select Run as Administrator and say Yes to continue. Here you need to execute a few commands, but don't worry because I will write these commands down in the video description as well. So let's start by typing netch int IP reset c/reslog.ts and press Enter. This will reset all logs regarding the network issue. And now type ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. Now we have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Finally, you need to type netch winsock reset, then press Enter. Now it's asking to successfully reset the Windows catalog, but you have to restart your device. So type exit on the command prompt to close it and restart your device. Restarting it will most likely fix the issue. Solution 3. Reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. Click on the search icon on the taskbar and search Device Manager. After you have opened Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section. Now right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. All that's left to do is to confirm the uninstallation. Restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Reinstalling drivers will fix most of your network issues, and your Wi-Fi connection will return again. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix most Wi-Fi issues on Windows after an update. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.